today we're at Whiteways Cafe, beautiful sunny day in July. There's a lot of bikes here today. I'll give you a little walk around of the car park.
Right, so that was Whiteways Cafe. Brilliant little cafe over on the south coast in Sussex, just outside of Arundel. Great little place to meet up with some people. And it was absolutely scorching hot, beautiful weather. Couldn't get any better than this. Perfect weather for riding. Nice cool breeze. So it's been a really good day out today. We've been from Loomies on the 272 across to Whiteways. We got Lloyd there on his Suzuki SV. This video today is literally just a nice ride, not reviewing anything, as you can tell by now. Just going out for a pleasure ride. With Rev Solutions, it's going to be a bit of a mix of some reviews, some rides, just a bit of everything for your entertainment. Try to turn this into a channel where you can actually pop it on and just enjoy watching what we create. There have been quite a lot of motorcycles out today, quite a lot of groups riding around. Now our lockdown has been eased a little bit in the UK, we can actually get back out and enjoy the summer finally, because it's been quite a slow start to the summer this year. Obviously because of COVID-19, that's kind of screwed everything up for everyone. It's been quite a busy week for myself and Holly with our resolution. We've been going testing a couple of bikes. We've got a few more that we're going to test ride. It's actually quite nice to get out on different bikes and experience the power of different bikes and see what other machines are out there, because when you ride your same bike day in day out, obviously like anyone knows, you just get used to it. So it's good to shake it up a little bit, see what other bikes are about. And the BMWs that we've ridden so far, we've ridden the G310R, we've ridden the G310 GS, I believe the other one was, and for little 300cc bikes, they're brilliant. They're absolutely cracking bits of kit. I highly recommend that if you've been riding a big bike for a long time, you just downscale slightly, even if it's just for a test ride, and just feel the fun of riding something small that if you do twist your wrist, you're not going fast, you can actually enjoy just having fun without worrying about your speed all the time, because let's face it, you're not going to be going fast on those bikes. They're quite a tamed ride. Now the other bikes we've been riding is a BMW S1000R. That is a really nice bike to ride, very, very comfortable. It's got a lot of torque, a lot of instant grunt. It's very reasonable to ride about. It doesn't really make you feel like you want to be going fast. It's quite tame in some way. But when you do open the throttle, you do know that you're riding it. And the other bike that we took out for a test ride was the BMW F750 GS. That was a good little bike. Sounded awesome. The grunt that thing had when you started it up, revved it a little bit, it really did make a noise. Nice little power machine, that thing. It's so nice to have some brilliant weather back in the UK. Summer is finally here. Just passing through the little village of Petersfield. Haven't been here for a long time. Driven past it quite a bit, but not actually through it. Quite an old style English looking village. A few nice little cafes dotted here and there. Hopefully the majority of it will survive the lockdown period, of not being able to get out and take business. Beautiful Petersfield Lake there. Couple of big dogs. Oh, didn't like me. Now today, because it's such a gorgeous day, I've decided to stick with the mesh jacket that I've been wearing for the last couple of videos on the test rides. I've gone for the leather trousers because I knew I'd be on the bike for quite some time, so I thought I'd keep some decent protection on the lower half, decent protection on the top half, but still with that nice airflow through the jacket, and at the moment it's definitely paying off. I was going to wear the one piece, but I would have struggled with that. Even though it's got a lot of air holes, it's not got that many around the torso, so I would have struggled. What on earth is going on? 5 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour in a 60. What is going on? That's just dangerous. This is a national speed limit area. If other car comes flying up behind me, they're going to wipe us out. That's just dangerous. Compton. Straight out of Compton. I did it. I couldn't help. I had to do it. How's this dog going to react to the bikes? Not too bad. Better than the other dogs. Those big dogs did not like these bikes. I've also had a bit of a trouble with the audio recording. I've been using my mobile phone popped in my jacket to record my audio. However, I get about 5-6 minutes into the audio and it just goes. All my vocals are gone. There's ambient noise. I'm still getting all the background noise and everything like that, but all my vocals just gone. There's nothing. So I ordered a little dictaphone off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below for the one that I've got. It was 20, I think it was about 20 quid. And, well, it's got 8 gig built-in storage, and you can put up to 32 gig SD cards into it as well. So I'm hoping this will work, and I'll have plenty of audio. I have to put this bike in to get a service very soon. It's almost at 21,000 miles, which is its next service. It's every 7,000 miles on the GSX-R 750, so it's not too bad. I've looked in at one place, Honda, and they're about £180 for the service, which is pretty reasonable. I would do it myself, but unfortunately where this is on PCP, I'm kind of locked into getting a service done. We've changed. So we were going to be going to Portsmouth, but it's like we've changed our minds, so we're going to the Victoria Inn. Nice little pub.